Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Well, temperatures are a little bit cooler this morning by about 10 degrees, 13 degrees. We're looking at temperatures in the mid-50s most everywhere. 52, Lakewood Ranch, 51, Parrish, Bradenton, but 54 in Sarasota, 55 in Venice, and in Inglewood, 56, Longboat Key, 55 in Northport, 53, Myakka, 55, Arcadia, 54 in Wauchula. High, thin clouds streaming by from time to time, but that's the worst of it. We'll have forget that. No patchy fog or late night rain. Sunny skies is what we're looking at today. By 9 a.m. the temperature will be 57, 64 by noon. By 3 p.m. 66 degrees and 59 degrees by 7 p.m. Current temperatures across the region 54 degrees with a dew point value much lower than 24 hours ago. An indication of this dry air that has settled in and making it feel just ever so comfortable out there. North-northeast wind comes in at about 8. We do have some rain showers, but they're out in the Atlantic now. They're down in the Florida Straits. They are not an issue for us whatsoever. We're looking at quiet conditions here locally, and that's the way it's going to look all day long. No rainfall in today's forecast or tomorrow's or Friday's. Maybe on Saturday, most certainly on Sunday. We'll discuss that in a few. Hour-by-hour forecast through the day, plenty of sunshine. Maybe a few fair weather clouds will stream by, but none of them rain producers. High-level thin clouds for the most part, caused by a very active jet stream that will allow for some of these high clouds to scoot past. Fast movers, they're the kind of upper-level clouds that form due to ice crystals falling from the clouds. They're kind of those mare's tails are the nickname for them, and they're very pretty clouds. They actually are great sunlight reflectors, and they often appear as very bright white clouds. And so when the sun sets, they reflect those sunset colors nicely. And with a clear high-pressure ridge back to the west, should be a very nice sunset tonight, I think. By tomorrow morning, everything looks pretty nice. Still clear skies, sunshine tomorrow morning, just fair weather clouds. High pressure, the responsible party for that one. The high pressure ridge sprawling right across the deep south. So all of our airport hubs today look pretty good. Even the northeast hubs, which yesterday had icy conditions. We have a frontal boundary back to the west. That frontal boundary still located in the Pacific Northwest will eventually advance in this direction, bringing us those Sunday showers. But until then, yesterday's front, a thing of the past. High pressure building in, and as we progress through the next couple of days, we'll watch that high move eastward. That'll twist our winds more to the east and eventually even southeast, and that'll cause a warm up over the next several days. But for today, lower humidity, slightly cooler, same thing tomorrow. And then on Sunday, we'll watch what could end up being a first alert weather day with some scattered showers, maybe even a thunderstorm possible then. North wind comes in breezy today. Boaters, watch for that. Exercise some caution out there. 10 to 15 knot wind, 2 to 3 foot seas, choppy conditions on your bay and inland waters. Forecast looks good for today. Lots of sunshine, 68 degrees. Tomorrow, 68 as well, but we start to warm up during the overnight into Friday. We see a temperature of 75. Clouds will begin to increase Friday into Saturday, and on Saturday, we'll put in a slight chance at a shower, but not a big deal. Sunday, a big deal. We'll have a front move through, and that'll give us a good chance of rain. We're still refining, fine-tuning that forecast, but it looks like in the afternoon into the evening is the best time frame for watching these showers build and spread across the Sun Coast. They end by Monday morning, and we're left with the beginning of a work week that looks pretty nice with slightly cooler temperatures and sunnier skies.